Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to bring you Beast Kingdom's Mastercraft Stitch with a frog on his head. Schooner MC-063 made out of polystone with a width of 26 centimeters, a depth of 25 centimeters, and a height of 34 centimeters. As you can see, Beast Kingdom never lets you down in their Mastercraft series. The paint is always fantastic. He weighs about, or feels about 8 pounds. I don't know, I'm guessing. I haven't put him on a scale, but he is kind of heavy. Not the heaviest of the bunch. Paint job is great. 3 pieces: base, stitch, and frog. And you can see here, his face is just painted fabulous. Yeah, this is just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rendition of Stitch. Look at that frog. He looks like he's a little guilty being on the head of Stitch there, doesn't he? Look at the ears. The ears are painted fabulous. The actual feathering of the paint, the teeth, fantastic. This is all hand painted too, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. All hand painted. See, we got number 2,783 of 3,000. I still got the plastic on the label there. I keep the plastic on all the time. See the 100 there with a little bit of a acrylic in it, make it look like the water's run up in there. Celebrate 100-year anniversary. What paint job. You can see the acrylic in the water there. It says Disney right there above that. So ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Mastercraft by Beast Kingdom, MC-063, Stitch with a frog on his head. Hug someone you love. Peace.